Do you want to get rid of your tension, anger, fear, jealousy, sadness, depression, and negativity of body and mind? Do you want to increase your self-confidence and enthusiasm? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will explain you the complete science of Soham Mudra. What is Soham Mudra? How to do Soham Mudra? And what are the amazing benefits of Soham Mudra? And how it can transform your life. Plus, in this video, I will demonstrate you Soham Mudra along with Soham meditation to improve your aura. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you will find free content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, I will talk about Soham Mudra in details, whereas in the second part, I will demonstrate Soham Mudra along with Soham meditation so that you can feel the transformational effect of this mudra. What is Soham Mudra? The word Soham is used as a powerful mantra similar to Om. The Sanskrit word Soham is a combination of two words, Sah and Aham. The meaning of word Soham is I am He, or my individual self is the universal self. I is refers to individual self and He is referred to God, Divine, Brahm, universal consciousness, existence or cosmos or whatever you want to call it. The concept of this mudra and mantra is to sublimate your ego and to submerge with universal consciousness. How to do Soham Mudra? To practice Soham Mudra, sit in any comfortable posture with a straight spine. For example, Padmasana, that is lotus pose, any cross-leg posture like Sukhasana, or in Vajrasana, that is thunderbolt pose. If you cannot sit in any of these postures, then you can sit simply on the chair with a straight spine. Now place the thumb at the base of the little finger and fold other four fingers on the top of the thumb to make a closed fist. You can place this fist in front of your chest or on your knees. Gently close your eyes, inhale deeply through nose and start chanting Om or Soham mantra. If you don't want to chant any of these mantras, then you can simply do humming. But let me tell you, Om has nothing to do with a particular religion. We have a similar word in Sikhism that is known as Omkar or Ekomkar that we normally use. The meaning of Om and Ekomkar means the sound of existence or the sound of God or divine. Repeat chanting of mantra or humming 7 to 21 times. When chanting or humming is over, contract your abdomen with exhalation to apply Udyan Bandha. Hold for some time as per your comfort level. Gently release the Udyan Bandha with deep inhalation. Afterwards, gently open your hands and visualize that all your negative thought, pain, fear, anxiety, helplessness, inferiority complex, and other negative emotions are vanishing. In case if you are not meditating regularly, then you can practice Soham Mudra as per convenience of time and posture. In case if you want to know more about the guidelines of using Hasta Yoga Mudra and the science of Hasta Yoga Mudra, then you can watch our previous video in the same playlist. The link is available in the I button and the description tab for your convenience. What are the benefits of Soham Mudra? Soham Mudra is an excellent mudra for meditation. It removes tension, anger, fear and jealousy. All these emotions hinders the spiritual growth of a person. Thus, Soham Mudra helps you grow spiritually. Let me tell you a bitter truth about this modern world. People of this 21st century are getting sad and depressed day by day. Reasons can be many. Increased competition, over expectation from life and self. Soham Mudra removes sadness and cures depression. You should practice this mudra regularly to remove sadness and cure depression. Soham Mudra helps in removing negativity of body and mind. Regular practice of Soham Mudra helps to maintain positive aura and energy. Soham Mudra energizes body and mind. It increases enthusiasm, strengthens the brain, increases mental strength, and thereby increases self-confidence. Practice of Soham Mudra activates the brain. Further, it maintains the proper balance of water in blood and brain. Insufficient balance of water in blood and brain can lead to sadness, depression, and Alzheimer's disease. Negative thought patterns, negative emotions are the one which hinders the growth of the person in various aspects of the life. Soham Mudra helps to eradicate all these negative energies and thereby changing the complete aura of the person. All these factors make Soham Mudra as a magical mudra for personality development. So make sure you practice this mudra in your day-to-day life to get maximum benefits. Take the charge of your life in your hands. Watching and learning will not help until you implement what you have learned. Please share your experience. We have detailed videos coming upon yoga mudras for meditation after this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Let's begin our meditation session. Sit in any comfortable posture with a straight spine. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Now place your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra. Join your index finger with the thumb. Gently close your eyes and simply watch your breath. Watch your breath going in, coming out. Watch your breath going in, coming out. Do not modify your breath, just watch it. Just watch your breath. Simply be aware of your breath, body, and sensations. Come into this present moment. Bring your hands in front of your chest and create Soham Mudra by bringing the thumbs close to the little finger and pressing the thumb with all the fingers to create a fist. Now place this fist on your knees. Take a deep long breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we'll chant 5 Ohms in Soham Mudra. So take a deep long breath in. While exhaling, produce the sound of Om. Breathe in, and while exhaling, do Om chanting. Oh. Now we'll chant Soham mantra 3 times. To chant Soham mantra, breathe in, and while exhaling, chant Soham. So let's begin. Breathe in, and while exhaling, chant Soham. In case if you don't want to do any mantra chanting, then you can do humming. For doing humming, inhale through nose. While exhaling, create a humming sound like a buzzing bee. Let's begin. Breathe in through nose. While exhaling, do humming. Take a deep long breath in and exhale. Once again breathe in. On your next exhalation, contract your abdomen and apply Udyan Bandha. Hold for a few seconds. Inhale deeply through nose and release the Udyan Bandha. Now bring your hands in front of your chest. Open the palms and visualize that all your negativity, all the negative energies are vanishing. As you breathe in, positive energy, light is entering into your body. As you breathe out, all the negativity is vanishing. Breathe in positivity and exhale negativity. Just visualize all the negativity is vanishing and leaving your body and mind. Gently bring your hands onto your knees. Take a deep long breath in and exhale. Slowly open your eyes and come back. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to your life. If you think so, Please comment, like and share. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. Take care. God bless you all.